KCET 2025 aspirants, so your results are finally out and the next process is definitely the counseling process, right? And many of you are new to this counseling process, so you might be worried about that. So please do not take any tension, because in this video I am going to tell you step by step what all things will be happening from now onwards and what are the steps involved in the counseling process, so that you are fully prepared and you know what exactly is going to happen next. Okay, so if you are an aspirant of KCET 2025 and waiting for the counseling process, then definitely this video is for you. So let's get started, and in today's video we'll be talking about what will be the tentative dates for KCET counseling, okay, and then KCET counseling roadmap, what all things are going to happen after that, and then step by step process of counseling. Okay, I have already made a video on this, but again I would have added the same details one more time so that I can explain it again, because this is important and I think that it can be reminded again. Okay, so first of all, the tentative date. So if you see last year pattern, okay, in 2024, what happened in 2024 was in June 1st the results were declared, okay, and somewhere around mid of July the counseling process started. Okay, and since this year the results has been declared before than 2024, so we are expecting that the counseling process will start towards the end of June or towards the first week of July. Okay, this is again a very tentative date based on the experience that we had last year, last 2-3 years. So this is that towards the end of the June, and especially after the NEET results are out, you can expect the KCET counseling to be started. Okay, the first thing. Next, talking about the roadmap here. So first of all, you will have an all of you have already submitted the application, right? So first you will get one more chance. Like last year it was there, a final chance was given to all the students to edit their application. So this timeline that I am telling is according to the 2024 process. Okay, it may exactly happen this way or there may be slight changes. So last year first what happened was the application editing portal was opens once again, and all the students were able or given a chance to check all the details, and if there is any error they had a chance to edit the application form. Okay, first thing. After that there will be definitely seat matrix will be released, okay, by which you can know which college is offering how many seats in which branch. Okay, that is very important. After that you will have to download a verification slip. Okay, now verification slip is something where you will get your details for registration for the counseling process. Now after the verification slip is there, the fee structure will also be released by the KEA in their official website. After that there will be a mock, you will have the option mock allotment, mock seat, you will have option entry, and then mock seat allotment, and then there will be final seat allotment. So there might be a certain confusion here, but do not worry, I am going to break it down step by step. Okay, so you can see all the steps here. So first definitely there is document verification and registration process. Second, you will have choice filling and locking. Third, you have mock allotment. Fourth, you have modify, delete or rearrange your options. In the step 5, you will have round 1 seat allotment. Then you will have display of seat matrix. Then you will have KCET rearrange of options. Then you can go for seat allotment round result 2. Okay, round 2 result will be coming. So there will be a lot of confusion for all of you, might be. Let me explain all of you. First of all, there will be document verification process is already going on, and after that you will receive your verification slip. Once you receive your verification slip, there will be registration process. Okay, this is online process. You have to go to your KEA portal and towards your own login credentials you have to do, and then you have to register for the counseling process. You have to pay certain amount for the registration of the counseling process. I hope this is clear. Once you have registered, there will be seat matrix and fee structures will be released, and then you will have choice filling and locking. So you will have all the choices that is available, like all the colleges, all the branches list will be given to you, and you have to fill the options according to your preference. For example, you want to join a BMS college in mechanical engineering, for example, you have to put that, you have to select BMS, you have to select mechanical engineering, and you have to prepare an option entry list. Okay, after that, once this is done, there will be a deadline for this one. Once this is completed, one mock allotment will take place. According to this mock allotment, this is not a final one, but according to whatever you have failed, what other students have failed, what is the cutoff, based on that one seat will be allotted to you. Okay, after the mock allotment has been done, you will again get a chance to modify, delete or rearrange your option entry. You can change, you can make any changes that you want in your option entry list after the mock allotment. After that, you will save it, and then there will be final round 1 seat allotment will take place. Okay, and after this you will be getting 4 options here. I'll be telling what it in the next when I'll explaining it in detail. 4 options will be there. Round option 1, 2, 3 and 4 will be given, or we'll call it as choices. 4 choices will be given to you. If you select choice 2 and choice 3, then you will go to the next round of counseling. Okay, so here seat matrix will again be displayed, and then KCET rearrange of options will take place, and then KCET seat allotment for round 2 will take. Now from here to here you cannot understand, you may not understand, so let me go in detail, and then we will be talking about these 6, 7, 8 what all steps are there. I'll explain you in the next slides. So first of all, document verification. So those students who have taken KCET who will be participating in the KCET counseling process, so they have to reach with all the required documents. Okay, applicants must carry the compulsory documents in the original along with 2 set of photocopies. Again there will be one document verification, and once it is verified you will receive the verification slip. Okay, after that you will have authority will check all your documents. The acknowledgement card and the verification slip are issued to the candidates after the end of verification process. Okay, you will get the verification slip. Now in this verification slip you will have a unique ID and password. After the document verification, candidates have to register themselves in the counseling center. So for this registration you need this unique ID and password. Okay, so you have to register there. Now details of the verification slip are to be added carefully in the registration slip. Okay, so what all details are required, you have to take it from this verification slip. Okay, next, what all documents you have to carry for the counseling process document verification. So you have, sorry, this is 2025. So your application form, admit card, then your fee payment proof, then 10th certificate, 12th certificate, 7 years of study certificate, recent passport size photograph, income certificate, rural. So these all are based on the category. Whatever reservation you have asked for, those certificates you can take. So I want all of you to take a screenshot of this and start keeping these documents ready. Okay, again, sorry, this is 2025. Okay, next we have choice filling and locking. So here, as I told you, you have to fill as many options as you can for your option entry. Which all colleges, which all branches you are interested to study, you have to fill those options. So for example, I'll just show you. After receiving the seat matrix from the government, the option entry will start for the candidates, and the details regarding the category wise, course wise, college wise available seats for allotment will be made available on the official KEA website. So you can total see in particular college, in a particular category, in a particular branch how many seats are available. Okay, for example, if I say for computer science in BMS college 1500 seats are available. Okay, and suppose your rank is somewhere around 5000, so it is very obvious that it is difficult for you to get that in that 1500 seats. But if your rank is somewhere around 1700, then definitely you can try. So like this you will have you can have a proper analysis whether you will be getting a proper seat or not. Okay, next, only those candidates will be eligible for the option entry whose verification has been done by the concerned authorities. Okay, so if you have received the verification slip, then only you will be able to participate in the option entry process. Now candidates will be able to choose from the available list of colleges and courses. So you will be having a list of all the colleges, of all the courses, and then you have to just add the preferences. Okay, next we have candidates have to mention the priority number in front of the course or the college displayed in which they are interested in and are eligible for. So suppose you have selected here BMS in the college list, and in the course list suppose you selected EC, okay, and suppose this is your 4th priority order, so you have to put a 4th here, okay. So that is what you have to put priority to all the branches. Then there is no limit on option entry. You can fill as many options as you can, and it is always advisable to fill more options so that you are on the safer side. After that, what will happen? Once you have filled all the things, you have to click on the submit button and then you have to log out. The candidates are suggested to take a printout of the option entry, okay. So also you have to take a printout of your option entry. Now after this, what will happen? There will be mock allotment, and once the mock allotment is done, again you can change, and then there will be final allotment. After final allotment of round 1, what happens? Let's see. So what happens here? Once the choice filling is complete, a mock seat allotment result will be published. This helps the candidate to understand their chances of admission based on their merit and preferences. Candidates can adjust their choices accordingly. So after the mock test is done, mock allotment is done, you can change your preferences, okay. Next, then we will have, after that what will happen? There will be 2 rounds of allotment, and then a second extended round and a special round will be there, okay. So there are total 3 rounds, 2 rounds, round 1, round 2 and a second extended round. The special round is not to be considered here. We will have first round, second round and second extended round. Next, candidates should ensure to download and print the provisional allotment letter, okay. So now we'll talk about, yes. Now once the first round allotment has taken place, you will get 4 choices to decide. Choice 1, choice 2, choice 3 and choice 4. Now what is choice 1? You are 100% happy with the allotted college and the course and prepared to take admission by paying the fees, okay. You are interested to join the course. Further, not willing to participate in the other rounds of UG CET or UG NEET counselling, okay. So once you are very happy, you are satisfied with the allotted college, then you don't have to go for the next round, okay. So in this case, what you have to do, you will not be eligible to participate in the next round, so you have to pay the total fee of the allotted college and you have to join to the college. Next, choice 2 is what here? Choice 2 is satisfied with the allotted college but willing to participate in the next round for improvement from the higher order options, okay. So you are happy, but you want that some better options may be available for you. You want to check that. So in that case, you will be eligible to participate in the next round and you don't have to pay any fees and you have to go to the next round, okay. Next, choice 3 is what? Not interested with the allotted seat and surrendering the seat allotted but likes to participate in the next round. So here what you are doing, you are holding the seat, okay. Means, for example, suppose I'll give a small example here. See, choice 2 and choice 3 are often confusing for most of you. So understand here, choice 2 and choice 3. Suppose here, you have preferences given. I'll just take 5 examples here and let here be it is RVCS, here it is RVEC, then you have RVEE, then you have BMS CS and BMS EC, okay. Now in case, suppose you have got in the round 1 allotment, you have been allotted this college, okay. Now you have 2 options. Choice 1 is like you are satisfied, you want to join, but you are not satisfied, for example, not completely satisfied. You have 2 options now, whether to select choice 2 or choice 3. Now if you select choice 2, what will happen? You will participate in the round 2 you will participate, okay. Now this, when you are participating for round 2, if you get any of these options which are higher options, which are better options, that is fine. You will be upgraded to that. For example, you were getting BMS, there is some vacancy in the upper choices that you have filled. So you are getting RVEC, you are getting that, then your this seat will go, you will get this seat. In case you are not getting anything here, okay, none of the seats are filled, your rank is not satisfying, you are not getting, then in round 2 also you will get the same BMS EC, okay. You may either get same BMS EC or any one of above 4, right. You either will improve or you will stay there itself, Okay, there are two chances. If there is vacancy, you will get a better option and you have to leave this. You cannot then choose between this one. Suppose you have got second option, then this one will automatically go. You cannot choose there out of second and fifth which one you want to take. It is not like that. Once you have selected option number 2, in the round 2 you are getting choice 2, then choice 5 which was earlier allotted to you, that will go. Clear? Now, if there is no vacancy here, there is no possibility that your rank is improved, you will still be getting this one, that is BMS EC will be there with you. Now, what is choice 3? If you are selecting choice 3, that means you are surrendering this seat. Okay, you are allotted 5, you are returning that, and you are asking for a better seat from 1 to 4. So, if there is vacancy, you will get one of the four or no seat. If there is no vacancy in this 4 options, okay, if there is no vacancy in this 4 options, then the seat will also go and no new seat is also allotted to you. If there is vacancy, definitely you will get. But if there is no vacancy, then you have no seat left because you have already selected choice 3, that means which you have surrendered the seat that was given to you earlier. Okay, so it is always good to select choice 2 to be on the safer side. Okay, clear? So that is choice 2. And what is choice 4? For example, you are also an aspirant of JEE, NEET, and you have got some top NITs, IITs, or you have got a medical seat and you are completely out, you want to get out of this counselling process. In that case, you have to select choice 4, and if you are selecting choice 4, you will be not participating in the next round and you don't have to pay any fees also. Okay, I hope this is clear. So now, once the round 1 allotment is done, these things have been completed, round 2 allotment will start. So in round 2, the students who have selected choice 2 and choice 3 only will participate, because these have already exited and they have already taken admission. So choice 2 and choice 3 candidates will be participating in the round 2 allotment. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now coming to next thing, so once this round will go and you have finally decided, you have got your desired college, you have to report to the college. So you need to report to the college on the mentioned date and time, and you have to carry all the required documents there along with the allotment letter that this college was allotted to you. That allotment letter you should be carrying, and all other required documents for the purpose of verification. Okay, so this is the next processes that is going to happen after the results are out, and most probably these process will be starting towards the end of the June or towards the starting of the July. Okay, so these are completely tentative dates based on the data we have for the last 3 years. Okay, and if you have any other doubt regarding the counselling process, do comment down, we will definitely address to it. And thank you for watching, and all the best for your KCET counselling process.